Understanding the importance of RSV vaccination for Singaporean seniors in Singapore. Access to healthcare for the elderly remains a critical concern, particularly in the context of preventing respiratory illnesses such as respiratory syncytial virus (RSV). GlaxoSmithKline GSK has acknowledged that the RSV vaccine is available for Singaporeans aged 60 and older at selected general practitioner and specialist clinics. However, specific clinic names were not disclosed, highlighting the need for individuals to inquire directly with healthcare providers. Recent investigations by the Straits Times revealed that these vaccinations are priced between $320 and $350 per dose, administered via a muscle injection. This cost underscores the value placed on preventing RSV, a virus that affects the lungs and respiratory airways, often manifesting symptoms akin to those of influenza and the common cold. These symptoms include coughing, fever, runny nose, and body aches. In severe cases, RSV can escalate to pneumonia and bronchiolitis, conditions particularly perilous for older adults, especially those with pre-existing respiratory ailments. Medical experts strongly advocate for seniors, particularly those with chronic respiratory conditions, to receive the RSV vaccine as a preventive measure against severe complications. Professor Paul Tambia, president of the International Society for Infectious Diseases, underscores the vaccine's potential in reducing pneumonia risks, a critical consideration for individuals with compromised lung function or weakened immunity. Dr. Leong Ho Nam, an infectious disease specialist at Rofi Clinic, highlights the severity of RSV compared to other respiratory illnesses like COVID-19 and influenza, citing higher hospitalization rates and mortality risks, especially among those with heart or lung diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD) or congestive heart failure. Dr. Leong emphasizes that RSV infections can significantly impact an individual's independence and quality of life, potentially leading to permanent disability or even death in severe cases. Therefore, vaccination among at-risk populations is crucial in reducing both morbidity and mortality associated with RSV. Despite its benefits, the RSV vaccine is not without risks. There have been reported cases linking the vaccine to Guillain-Barré syndrome, a rare neurological condition where the immune system attacks peripheral nerves. Professor Tambia advises individuals with a history of Guillain-Barré syndrome to consult their healthcare providers to carefully weigh the risks and benefits before opting for vaccination. Internationally, the recognition of RSV vaccines underscores their importance in global public health strategies. Recently, the United States expanded the approval of GSK's RSV vaccine to include adults aged 50 to 59, acknowledging its efficacy in reducing RSV incidence within this age group. In addition to RSV, other vaccines such as Pfizer's Abrysvo and Moderna's Mresvia have also received approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, reflecting a concerted effort to combat RSV globally. RSV has further gained regulatory approval in countries like Japan, Canada, Australia, and Hong Kong, following comprehensive clinical trials that demonstrated an effectiveness rate of 82.6 among approximately 25,000 participants across 17 countries. In Singapore, however, the Ministry of Health has not yet incorporated the RSV vaccine into its national immunization schedules. The expert committee continues to monitor the vaccine's efficacy, durability, and safety profile, emphasizing the importance of ongoing data review and evidence-based recommendations. In conclusion, the introduction of the RSV vaccine presents a pivotal opportunity to enhance the health outcomes and quality of life for Singapore's elderly population. While its availability in select clinics addresses immediate health concerns, there remains a critical need for comprehensive public health policies that prioritize vaccination as a preventive strategy against severe respiratory illnesses like RSV. By fostering informed decision-making and ensuring continued vigilance in monitoring vaccine safety and efficacy, Singapore can effectively mitigate the impact of RSV and safeguard the well-being of its senior citizens in the face of evolving health challenges.